Of course, I love going to restaurants to enjoy my time with my friends and enjoy great food, but I also love it to get inspiration so I can bring back recipes to the Everyday Gourmet Kitchen for you, just like this one. I had this the other night at a restaurant and it was a standout. It was roasted pumpkin with a hot chili and honey butter. Oh, divine. So I'm going to try and replicate it for you. You'll need half a butternut pumpkin, and I've just scooped out all the seeds. I'm just going to cut it into nice chunky wedges to roast it. I'm going to leave the skin on. There's nothing wrong with the skin. It's quite tasty and sweet. So we'll cut that into 4. We'll cut this into small little chunks too. Okay, place this onto a tray. I've just lined it with some baking paper. And then on that goes oil. So just some olive oil, small drizzle, not too much. I've preheated my oven around 180 degrees, and we want to season this with a little bit of salt, and then we want to cook them until they're tender and also slightly charred on the outside. Now for this delicious butter. You'll need some salted butter. I'm using a certified organic butter, an Australian butter, full of flavour, and you need a good amount, so I'm going to use about half. And we're just going to slowly melt this. Now, what I want is this butter just to melt, become frothy, and almost turn into a beurre noisette, giving it that lovely nutty flavour. That's when I'm going to add some chilli and some honey. So you want to keep an eye on it, slowly melt it down, and once you see the milk solids in that butter go from white to golden, it's time to add the next ingredients. I'm also going to add some rosemary to it because rosemary goes so nicely with the butter, the honey and the chilli. Right, I've turned the heat off the butter and I want to show you what we're looking for here. See how that's become super golden? And the smell, you'll know straight away that it's ready because it smells nutty, just delicious. And our pumpkin is cooked, you can see it's slightly caramelised. Now to finish off the butter, some chilli. So I've got a small red chilli. If you want it to be slightly milder, just use a long red chilli. We'll add that to our butter, along with some honey, a little drizzle, and our rosemary. Just allow that honey to melt into that, and I'm going to have a taste. Oh, that is so good. All right, pumpkin, we're going to start assembling. Place a few of these onto a plate. Just pile them up. And I'm just arranging these so there's a slight nest in the centre for some burrata cheese. It's mozzarella filled with stracciatella. I'm only going to use half of this, and the beauty of this is, look at all those curds inside. So good. We'll place that just in that little nest, and our stunning hot honey and chilli butter. We just want to completely drench everything here with the butter. It just ties everything together. This is certainly a dish that needs lots of sourdough bread just to mop up all that butter. I like some acidity with this, so a squeeze of lemon over the top, and crunch is essential, so hazelnuts. Hazelnuts go really nicely with the pumpkin. Just going to roughly chop them. I've just toasted them in the oven with the skins on, and then just taken them off, and we'll sprinkle that over the top. Roasted pumpkin with burrata and that beautiful honey butter. Now that butter is not only fantastic with pumpkin, you can pop that over some fish, some grilled chicken, any other type of vegetable, it works. It's super versatile, really delicious.